Yellow squash is packed with nutrients, but my little one didn't really like the flavor of it, so I started playing around with flavor combinations, and this is the one she really loved. So I'm going to take some organic carrots, just peel them up here, cut them down the middle, and cut them in about to 1-inch chunks. Carrots add a nice sweetness, as well as more nutrients to this baby food combination. Add it to the steamer pot, and we'll put these carrots on for about 10 to 15 minutes until tender. Take the yellow squash, cut the ends off, cut them down the middle, then cut them into 4s. And I'm just going to run my knife carefully and remove the seeds. Once the seeds are removed, we'll cut them about the same size as the carrots, about 1-inch chunks. Carrots are ready, nice and tender. We're going to add these to the blender. Put the carrots aside, then we'll add our yellow squash to the steamer pot. Cook these for just about 5 minutes. It's not going to take too long to cook. Now that our squash is tender, we'll add that to the blender with our carrots. Add in formula breast milk or filtered water to ensure we have a smooth puree. And for flavor, I have some organic cardamom powder. Gonna put in about 1/8 teaspoon. Blend that up until smooth. And then just add that to a container. This will keep in the fridge up to 5 days, or in the freezer for up to 3 months. Organic carrots, yellow squash, and cardamom. Check out my baby food playlist for more recipes that your little one will love.